Ryder might benefit from some teeny weeny little shoes for his teeny weeny little feet.
Maximalist minivars with Mary and Captain and you. Get on the bus!
Today we are on our way to the tents, which the tents are tents where people sell things. It's like sort of a flea market, but a little more permanent. There's a tent that sells all kinds of kitchen gadgets. There's a couple that have general RV stuff. There's one that has solar, one that sells flags, rocks. There are actually a lot that sell rocks because rocks are very big here. But the one that we are going to is called the Pet Patio. And we're going there because Ryder here, he's developed a little issue. Like last year, he had no problem walking around the desert. This year, though, he's become a real tenderfoot. And the rocks and everything, the little sticky things are really bugging him. So he'll walk like 3 feet and then he'll hold a paw up like this and look at me all sad and want me to pick him up and carry him. And that's not really my idea of a walk in the desert. So I'm thinking that Ryder might benefit from some teeny weeny little shoes for his teeny weeny little feet. So we're gonna go to the Pet Patio and see what they have. Okay, let's see. Oh, that might even be too small for you. What a surprise that would be.
You definitely don't want them too big either.
Come here. I love these ones. They're like little Converse high tops. They're so cute. Let me open it up and see. Oh, just let me try it, okay?
Come here.
We're doing this for you, buddy, because you're having such a hard time walking. This should help. I just think he doesn't want to put his foot all the way in it. That's the problem. Ryder, just give it a try. Just try it. See what you think. Just humor me, okay? Oh, he's out already. I guess those aren't going to work. I think I lack technique for getting these on him. Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt you.
But they seem pretty tight, like they won't come flying off.
Right. Do you understand why we're doing this, baby? So you can take walks with us.
He will once he's walking on the stones. I think he'll figure it out.
He's like, why do you have to insult me with this crap? You gotta help me a little there, buddy. Okay. Just try it. Just stand there for a minute, okay? The thing is, the toe box is really wide on them.
Now, what do you think?
You don't mind this one, but you don't like this one, huh? Okay, let's try the back. Good. Oh, let's try the back. Okay. Let's try letting him walk around with the front ones on.
Sometimes it takes some getting used to.
Come here, Ryder. Come on, let's walk.
Of course it is. Oh my goodness. I'll just try that.
He's already doing it a little better.
They're $32. I'm afraid I'll never get them on him again for that price.
Oh, yeah.
These ones are cheaper, and they look like Cabbage Patch Kid shoes. Okay, let's try these. They're not laughing at you, buddy. They're laughing with you.
You look adorable, dude.
Come on, come back in. Come over here. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness, you're cute. Oh my goodness, you're cute.
You are very adorable, dude.
You really are cute.
But you always pull your weight. Never hold me down, but always stay. You always stay with me. And we'll walk hand in hand across this land we call home. When I feel you slip, I'll tighten my grip and pull you close. Just so you know, baby, I love taking care of you.
That was the first and last time he ever wore the shoes. The next time I tried to put them on him, he fought me so hard that I was like, okay, fine, don't wear them. walk on the rocks. And so that's exactly what he did. All of a sudden, his tender little feet were fine on the rocks. I think he just thought, well, if my choices are wear those goofy shoes or learn to walk on the rocks, I'm just going to toughen up and walk on the rocks. Easier for me. I don't have to force his feet into these every time. And I still have them in case I come across a Cabbage Patch Kid. Okay, now watch this one next and hit this button. Hit the button. Subscribe. See you next time.